How to sign in to Disney Plus. So if you want to sign in to Disney Plus, then first of all you can open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you can go for the search bar and search for Disney Plus login. And after searching, here you will have login Disney Plus, which is www.disneyplus.com. Click on that. So unfortunately, Disney Plus is not available at my location or in my region, but if you have this available in your region and if you want to log into your account, then after opening the website of Disney Plus or after loading this page, now you will have a login option on the upper right. You can simply click on that to login, and then you have to enter your email address on the first blank and then your password on the next blank. And after entering your email address and your password, you can simply click on login and then you will be logged into your Disney Plus account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.